Persian Media TV for your local, national and international news. Bobiwine and Musk's counterterrorism corp trailing him. Bobiwine, commonly known is the presidential candidate who is aspiring. His Chagulanyi Sentamu. He has been on rallies. We all know in this whole COVID situation, this pandemic period, he has been on rallies, going around, doing it physically. It's not like an online thing. He has been interacting with people. He has been moving around. But as a country, decided by people that involves people, we need security. We need people to be maintained, people to observe the SOPs as per the COVID issue is concerned. So we have seen on several occasions, Bebekul has been attacked by police, has been attacked by the army. We have seen his supporters die. You have seen them being attacked. We have seen chaos all around Uganda, everywhere he has been going. But it is said there is a group of people called the counterterrorism unit of the police. The counterterrorism unit of the police, I think it's concerned with the roles of preventing both internal and external terror threats. So when they put this department or this sector of the police on Bobiwine, you can understand what it means. Yeah, they're guarding him with such a police. They're following him. They're keeping up with him. Yes, that's a country, Uganda. Basically, today we are talking about the person, Yes, it is right for him to be guarded and be protected and be involved in the police, because we do not know, he could have people that are against him in terms of the public, wherever he goes. So he needs to be protected. His life can't be just lived like that, because he's a big figure as per now in Uganda. But it's allegedly said that there is a particular group, in terms of the counterterrorism unit of the police, there's a sector, there's a number of people, a few of them, who are really not doing the good, who are not doing it for the goodwill, who are not being genuine in their actions, who are not doing what they're supposed to do, if I may say. But the presidential aspirant, Chagulanyi Sentamu, the well-known Bobiwine, he has spotted one person, he has spotted one police officer whom he has identified with the names, with the pictures. We have all that for you. The National Unity Platform presidential candidate Robert Chagulanyi, aka Bobiwine, has reportedly unmasked a member of the counterterrorism unit of police who has been trailing him. Yeah, he has identified one member. I think that is the person that has been on his case so much, or a lot, because you have seen him being involved in so many tear gas incidences. The other time we saw the cancer that exploded almost next to him. Yes, so he has, I think he has, and I don't know how he has identified him though. That is his part. What I have to tell you is what he has said. Yes, this man, the name of the man, the police officer that he has identified is called KK Bivali, aka the Blaze, who is from the counterterrorism police. Is part of the team of brutal men who have been trailing us for several weeks now. That is Bobiwine saying. He said many of them, including Blaze, have been covering their heads with hard hoods to hide their identities, while they commit unspeakable crimes on them and their people. If you've watched movies, or if you've seen any pictures on media, you know how those police officers, or how assassins cover their heads with a mask, the black masks. Yes, exactly, that's what he means. That's how Blaze, or the KK Bivali, covers himself and some other people that he has not identified. Bobiwine said they can try to hide, but they can't unmask them and expose them. While the vast majority of police and army officers are responsible people, there will be a time for accountability for those officers who use their positions to torture and mainly kill our people. Our people, he means the people power people. Yes, in Uganda, we have some police officers, yes, who are doing their work, who are guarding and protecting the people, but the people who are doing it with a different aim, we don't know why. But you do not all of a sudden just come and brutalize people, just explode tear gas and everything. Yes, I think that's why Bobiwine is trying to find out who are these people in particular. Who are these people who are defending the country, or defending the people in the country in a different way, or in a different manner. Yes, so far the person he has identified is KK Bivali, or his other name is called Blaze. Yeah, those people are always the black masks. If you have seen them in his posts, you will see them, the police officers that are masked in black all over. Yes, yeah, we shall show you the pictures that are on here. You'll see him, you'll see what he looks like. Yes, and if you have any say, if you have anything to talk about this, you're welcome. You can comment, subscribe to our channel, share for awareness so that people know what's going on in the country, because we deserve to know. We have that right. Yes, Projan Media TV. Thank you.